What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brett and you're watching Jeep TV. Thank you guys for checking it out. If this is your first time here, hit that like button, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. But anyways, today we're going to be working on decals. So this isn't going to be a how-to. This is kind of like, hey, me and my wife are hanging out, we're in quarantine just like you guys. So yeah, we're just kind of hanging out, videoing. She's making fun of me a lot. She's giving a lot of ad-lib in there and some jabs off camera. So yeah, we're gonna try a few different little things to get these stickers off. So we're removing and we are installing new decals. Let's get this party started. Taking the stickers off. We get the comfort. So let's go over here on the other side and see what it will look like. I'm trying to kill myself. What do you think? It's big. It's gonna be real big. Woo, 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 woo. Now you got the heel. Alright, so we just sprayed this thing down with some WD-40. I've tried nail polish remover. Ooh. And we've tried rubbing alcohol. So, doing WD-40. Gonna let it sit. And then supposedly you just scrub it off. So, as you can see, there is some goo on there. Let's see what happens. So we almost have it all the way off. We have a little bit here. And I think a little bit here. One like right there. But this thing is smooth as a baby's bottom. So as soon as I did the WD-40, I took this little bitty plastic little, it's like a squeegee or scrubber or whatever you want to call it. And I got it all off. And then I wiped it down with a paper towel, and then I went back over it with the nail polish remover or alcohol to really remove all the oil. So before you go back and put your other stickers on, you really need to make sure to get all the oil off, because those stickers probably aren't going to stick very well. Alright guys, so we got this baby butt smooth. I mean, it is like butter. Hello! So, shut up!
Hello.
So what I've done is I've actually gone over it with the rubbing alcohol, and then finally I got a microfiber towel and just smoothed it on out. So there's no residue or anything. It's it's
Ready for application.
Exactly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our decal, get it lined up. I'm gonna put some tape marks and get some dry erase and make some marks on here and get ready to go. Alright, here we go. Easy. I'm not even in the... I was watching you and not the daggone thing. Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna have to go and get the bubbles out.
Oops. Whew. I think if you just kind of let it set, it'll get the bubbles out. If you
I know how to... I've watched a whole tutorial on how to get bubbles. I know how to do it.
Alright. Got one side done. There are quite a few little bubbles. See if I can zoom in on here. That's going to happen over time. They are going to come out. Not all of them are going to come out, but they will come out. I know this because I've done this before. Down here on my Jeep TV decals, I had bubbles all on the T, on the P, and right in here, and eventually just magically disappeared. So, what I was going to say is, I'm not going to kill myself trying to poke holes and stuff on these. Even the ones you poke holes into sometimes don't come out. But this is a double decal, so there's a decal and then black decal laid on top of a decal. So it's got bubbles underneath, and it's going to be a little bit harder to get out. So, but anyways, it looks sharp though. The sticker's a little bit bigger too than the factory sticker. So it's pretty awesome though. I like the matte finish to go with my matte hood decal. Oh, there. What are we doing, bud? How do you get the letters off?
You get a blow dryer and you put
Whoa, good job. Ethan, wait. Alright. Now what do you do?
I need the pillow.
Oh yeah?
Dad, I need this.
That left hand. Wow. Alright, one more little piece. Well, be careful. Alright. Now what do we gotta do?
We have to wash all the sticky stuff off.
Yep. How are we gonna get the sticky stuff off?
I don't know. No, WD-40 on it.
Have to put WD-40 on it? Okay, ready?
Wow. What's it doing?
What's it gonna do?
It's going to dry all these letters off. And then you
Let it sit. Don't spray it.
let it sit. Daddy, I just did that.
I know, I'm gonna do a little bit more. Now we're gonna let it sit on there, and it gets the sticky stuff all gooey, and you scrape it off. Now you scrape it off. It turns to this nasty gel.
What's gel?
Hey, I'm about to take fingers off one of the bottles. And if the other's brave enough to pass it.
Oh, you get it. Go to the next letter. There you go. All right, let Daddy wipe it. Let me wipe it.
I want to wipe it. Oh, Daddy.
Look, I almost got it off, man.
Hi, try.
Good job.
But Ethan gets to scrape it now. Ethan, you get all the steps.
Alright guys, so I have marked out here and down here on the paper, and I've marked below, and I've measured out as closely as I can exactly where I want it. I've already got this bottom side of the sticky paper already tacked down, and we are working on rolling it back. So hopefully we're going to hit within these marks, which we are. These measurements make these 3 inches to the end, 3 inches to the R from there to there. So we're gonna lay this on here and then see what it looks like. All right, look how perfectly I got this on there. I mean, that is straight as you can possibly get it. What do you think, Evan? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Do you want to remove the sticker backing?
Yeah.
Okay, start over there. Pull it down. Okay, go real slow. Go ahead, buddy.
How much if it comes off?
Huh?
happens if it comes
It's
out?
not. It's not. Wow, that looks so good, don't it? Ooh. Very minimum air bumps. Yeah, well, they are bumps, but bubbles. Oh, wow.
It's like
so
magic.
cool. It's like magic, isn't it, buddy? Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was cool just to hang out with the boys. They helped me take the decals off. We got the new ones on. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are staying safe. There's a lot of sickness still out there. Protect yourselves, and hopefully this will be all over very soon. Peace out guys. Take care. Keep Jeeping.